Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel Accounting Celebrity. Today I'll teach you how to prepare trial balance. Many students cannot balance the trial balance in the exam, although this is very easy to prepare. So I'll show you now how easily you can prepare a trial balance. So let's get started. So, look at the question. What is written here? On 31st August 2020, the following balances were taken from the books of Akiba. Prepare the trial balance. So, this is the list of balances, and this list is taken from the book of Akiba. Okay. By the way, do you know what is trial balance? Trial balance is a list of balances on the account in the ledger at a certain date. Okay, so what date right now you are preparing the trial balance? On 31st August 2020. Okay, so look at here. This is the format of trial balance. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, what to write in the first column? Number. Then you have to write name of accounts. Okay, this account's name you will write here. Then this is folio. Folio is it's a reference number from the ledgers. So students, you don't have to write anything on the folio column, but if you draw this column, it's obviously good. So then debit, credit. So this debit and credit columns are side by side. So what you need to write here? You need to write the amount of this accounts. Okay, so look, first of all you need to list this account over here in this column, okay, according to the number. So let us enter this accounts here. Number 1, what is there? Capital. Number 2 is what? Drawings. What is number 3? Trade receivables. And what is next one? Next one is number 4. Trade payables. What is next one? Next one is equipment. Yeah, so right here, equipment. Then what is next? Furniture. Number 6, furniture. Okay, next one is purchase. So let us write here purchase. Then next one is sales. Number 8, sales. Then what is next? Next one is purchase return. Number 9, purchase return. Okay, what is next? Next one is sales return. Okay, what is next one? Next one is sundry expenses. 11, sundry expenses. EXPENSES. SES. Okay. What is next? Wages. Number 12 is wages. Then what is next? Next one is loan. So right here, number 13, loan. Okay, then after loan, what do you have? You have here cash. So list it here, cash. After cash, inventory. Okay. Right here, number 15, inventory. What does inventory mean? Inventory is a stock of goods. Okay. Inventory is a stock of goods. Okay, last one, number 16. What is 16? Commission. Commission. Commission what? Receipt. Commission receipt is an income, yeah? Okay, it's VAT. Okay. So this is how, first of all, you have to list all the accounts will be given in the exam paper, and you have to copy here in this format, trial balance format. Okay. Now you need to write the amount. The money is given, the value is given with the accounts. So here you have to write money whether in debit column or in credit column. Okay. You need to know what is debit and credit. If you don't understand what is debit and credit, it will be very tough for you to understand the trial balance. Okay. So I have a video on debit credit, so you can watch it. I'll link to this video in the description. Okay. So let's see. Let's write this amount. First one is capital. Capital is credit. Okay. Capital means equity. Business owes this money to the owners. So it's a liability kind of. So right here capital. Next one is drawings. Drawings is debit because drawings is an expense. Money goes out from business when owners make drawings. Trade receivable. What is trade receivable? 10,000. Trade receivable is an asset. Okay. Assets are always debited. Don't forget, assets are always debited. Okay. $10,000. What is trade payable? Trade payable is a liability. When you have liability, then liability will be credited. So right here in the credit column, very easy to understand. Just you need to know which one is asset, which one is liability, income and expenses. That's all. Okay, equipment. Equipment is an asset. Already you know it. It's very easy. How much equipment? $16,000. Right here with the equipment, $16,000. Okay. What is next? Next one is here, furniture. Look at here, furniture. How much? $3,000. Furniture is an asset as well, like equipment. So right here, $3,000. Okay. What is next? Purchase. Purchase is an expense, and expense is a nominal account. And what is the rule for nominal account? All the expenses will be debited, and all the expenses, all the incomes and gains to be credited. So purchase is an expense. It will be debited. How much? Look at here, $32,000. So right here, $32,000. Okay. What is next? Next one is sales. How much? Sales is $21,000. It's a revenue. Okay. Revenue is always credit. Okay. Revenue is always credit. It's nominal account. Okay. Then purchase return. Purchase is debit. Purchase is here debit. So obviously purchase return will be credit. But why? Because you purchase good, that was your expense. When is someone returned, then it will be a gain. Okay, so this gain will be always credited. So how much purchase return? Look at here, 3,500. So write in the credit side 3,500. Okay, fine. What is next? Next one is sales return. Sales return, you sold goods. But the buyer has returned the goods. Okay, so it is, so as you got returned, you have to pay money, so it's an expense. So expense is always what? Debited. Yeah, so right here $2,000 in the debit side. Okay, done. What is next? Sundry expenses. Sundry expenses like kind of miscellaneous. Okay, or tutorial expenses, or office expenses, administrative expenses, all together you can call sundry expenses. So how much sundry expenses here? It's $6,000. Nominal account, all expenses to be debited. So here write $6,000. See how easy to prepare trial balance. Then wages. Wages is a nominal account. When what is nominal account? It's an expense. What is expense? When business has to pay money on a day-to-day basis. Okay. So wages occurs often, maybe every week, maybe every month. Okay. So it's an expense. You have to write in the debit side because all expenses are debited. How much your wages? Your wages is $12,000. So write on the same level $12,000. Okay, without wages. Then what is next? Next one is loan. How much? Loan is $8,000. Okay, loan is a liability. So a business has to refund this loan. When you need money, you can take loan from bank, from your friends, from other businesses. But after that, you have to refund this money. Okay, so it's your liability. Liability is always credit. So how much your loan? Your loan is $8,000. $8,000. Write it on the credit side here. 8,000. Okay. Great. Next one. What is next? Next one is cash. Okay. What is cash? What is bank balance? Cash and bank balance, these are an asset. So cash and bank balance, asset, real account. So when asset comes in, means when asset increases, your asset will be debited. Okay, so write cash here on the debit side, $4,000. Yeah, it's $4,000. $4,000. Okay, fine. What is next? Next one is inventory. How much? $8,500. Inventory is a current asset. Okay, it's a current asset. Asset will be debited. When asset increases, asset will be debited. So how much? 8,500. So right here on the debit side, 8,500. Sorry about my handwriting. Doesn't look good. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's see next one. Commission received. Commission received, it's an income. There are so many incomes. Nominal account, commission received, discount received, rent received, interest received. Okay, so if you have any kinds of income, your income will be credited. Okay, the rule of nominal account: all incomes and gains to be credited, all expenses will be debited. Okay, so see here how much commission received, $1,000. Okay, it's a gain. You have to write on the credit side. Okay, fine. So finish. We wrote all the items. So what we did here, first of all, we prepared this format. We have drawn this format, this 5 columns format here. Number, name of accounts, folio, debit and credit, these 5 columns. Then we listed these all items from the question paper, from the exam paper. After listing, we put the values given here, we put according to debit and credit. Okay, so we put all the assets thing, all the expenses on the debit column, and all incomes and gains and liabilities and capital we put on the credit column. Okay, very good. After that, what you need to do, you need to add up, you need to sum up. Okay, if you see that on the both side, on the both column, you get same balance, you are correct, you did it correctly. Okay, so put a line here, here as well, also 98,500. Okay, so see, on the both column we got same balance, here 98,500, here also 98,500. So now you can say that yeah, you did this trial balance correctly because your answer is correct. So this is how you need to prepare trial balance from the list of balances will be given in the exam paper. Okay, so I hope next time you will not make mistake in the question paper when you prepare the trial balance. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something from this lesson, and let me know, comment below what you want to see in my next video. Bye and take care.